Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial on AutoCAD. We are doing another tips and tricks, and today we are going to talk about the MText. So let's say if you have a rectangle of, let's say, 7 by 10. Weird rectangle, but it's okay. If you have a rectangle like this, and we go for MText. Okay, it's too big. Let's make it a bit smaller. And we type in my rectangular area is xx, or let's say a meter square. So if you want to change it to square, go to formatting, superscript, right? So now we don't know what's our area is. Obviously, if you know the dimension, you can calculate it. But let's say if I want my area to be written over here, just select all these letters and then go for filled. Filled category should be object, as a rectangular is a object, and field names we have to go for object type. We have to select our rectangle so it knows, okay, it's a polyline. Property is area. You can select different properties if you want to, but that's up to you. Also, we can change the precision, so we keep it to decimal and 0 precision. Now we know that we have made a 7 by 10, so it's 70. We'll go for OK, and we know our area. Now let's say this one is very small, so what we are going to do is we will increase it to 1. Let's do, let's say like this. Visible, perfect. Now let's say I change my rectangle, so I select my rectangle, I change it like this, I change it like this. Now usually my value should change since my rectangle is changed, but it doesn't change. So how do we do that? There is a small command called regen to regenerate your document, so just press enter and boom, your area will be calculated. Let's do it one more time so we can make it clear. So let's say if I have a radius of 5, enter, so I know, and we can type over here my circle area is, let's say, zzz meter square. Increase it a bit. We want it to be superscript. Okay. Now let's select your z, go to field category object, field name object, select your object. So this time circle, it knows the object type, it's intelligent enough. So we want area, so it calculates my area. Okay, now we have the value. So if now I change my circle, it won't change the value. So just type in regen, enter, and boom, you can know. So this small command of regen combined with the MText is very useful, and for a large document it's a healthy option to utilize in your day-to-day work if you're working on large document. I hope you guys like this video, and if you have any doubts, comment down below. and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and peace.